Okay, I want to talk about this comment and also day 5 of doing Joe Dispenza meditations every day for 60 days. So I'm in Bali right now, getting ready to go for dinner, by the way. But if you listened to the video that I made for day 3, I did Joe Dispenza's Generating Joy meditation and I absolutely hated it. Okay, like I could not get into it, I was distracted. I could not connect with him. I actually found his voice annoying. Today, I had a flight to Bali and I did not have time to meditate in the morning because I woke up at like 5 o'clock in the morning. I had to catch a flight and I was like, you know what? I'm just going to meditate on the plane. And I did. I successfully did, although, there were some distractions here and there. But I gave it a chance and I was like, you know what? I want to listen to the Generating Joy meditation because I didn't enjoy it last time and I want to give it another go. And guess what? This time around, I loved it. I enjoyed it so much. I could drop in easily. I connected to his voice. I felt like I understood his guidance this time. I don't know what was the difference. I think the only difference is that I gave it a chance. Like, I just witnessed the whole entire process. I did not judge the whole experience. I did not force myself to even like it. I was like, you know what? I'm just going to go with an open mind. So I totally get this comment. Sometimes we do a meditation 1 time or 2 times and we cannot connect with it and we just automatically abandon it. But my advice is to just give it a go. Like, give it another go and have no expectations. Like, literally, be okay with anything and everything that comes up. If you hate it, that's okay. If you love it, that's great. But don't have any expectations for the entire process. So I did the Generating Joy meditation literally like 30,000 feet up in the air. There was one part where they turned on the seatbelt sign because there was a little bit of turbulence and I was like, kind of scared. But I think because I was doing the meditation, it was almost like there was a voice that kicked in that was like, you're safe. Like, I'm okay, I'm safe, and yeah, like everything is gonna be okay and you're gonna land safely. And here I am in Bali. So yeah, that's just a little inspiration and motivation for you guys. If you've been wanting to do Dr. Joe meditations, I would say give it a go. And if you don't like it the first time, give it another go. And if you don't like it the second time, give it another go. Like, just be open, enjoy the process. This is a learning and growth journey. So just enjoy it. Okay, I forgot my tripod in Jakarta and holding up this phone. Honestly, my hands are so tired. But anyway, this is day 5. I will see you tomorrow for day 6. Follow for more and let me know if any of you are also doing Dr. Joe meditations. All right, bye.